Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about setting up a business account. Setting a Pinterest business account. Let's get started. In the first chapter, I have talked about how Pinterest is good for businesses. You have already seen a few features that are available on business accounts and are not available for personal accounts. There are many business owners, entrepreneurs, bloggers, and marketers who are using Pinterest to do their business inside the platform. Since Pinterest is a great platform that offers great opportunities for businesses. With other social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram, you can easily reach more people by just posting and sharing your content. If you're a marketer, people can discover your brand on these platforms once your posts get more reach and also if you have gained more followers. On Pinterest, having a business account can help you increase brand awareness even if you're just starting out and only have a few followers. This is because your pins have more chances of getting discovered by your potential audience who are interested in the niche that you are in. To start setting up your Pinterest business account, go to Pinterest.com and click on the Sign Up button. In this pop-up window, click on Create a Business Account. You will see another window where you can enter an email address, create a password, and input your age. You may notice below that creating an account for your business means that you are agreeing to the business terms of service and privacy policy. Now you can see that you can set up your profile using this window right here. First, start with your business name. If you have a business website, you can type it in here, but you can choose Not Yet and add them later. Then choose your country or region. Then click Next. Now describe your brand. Select what's the focus of your brand here. You can choose from the options available, which are beauty, fashion, home, travel, food and drink, DIY and craft, health and fitness, education, design and art, events, or others. Now add a brand focus. Then click Next. Pinterest will customize some recommendations based on your details. Take note that you can only choose one of these options. You can choose from the options blogger, consumer's good, product or service, a contractor like a wedding photographer, interior designer, influencer, local retail store or service, online retail or marketplace on Shopify or Etsy shop, publisher or media, then click Next. If you have chosen any of these except for the online store, you can see this page asking you if you will be interested in running ads. For the online store, you will see the page where it's asking you what platform do you use to sell your products. Options are Etsy, Shopify, WooCommerce, OpenCart, Squarespace Commerce, PrestaShop, Magneto, ZenCart, or Wix stores. Just choose an option, then click Next. Now you will be asked if you would be interested in running ads on Pinterest. Then click Next. You can choose where you would like to start. You have the option to share ideas, grow your audience, or showcase your brand. You can start creating pins to tell your brand story, using images, videos, products, or links. You can also create an ad to reach more people and use tools to track your performance. You can build your profile to help people get to know your brand as you add your picture, an email address, location, and other information. Now that you know how to set up your business account, we can now proceed to the next topic, converting your personal Pinterest account to a business account. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.